Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to ServiceNow 911. I hope you are liking our videos. If yes, please subscribe. And if you want to watch the content in Hindi, go to ServiceNow Helpdesk Hindi. And you can follow our blog as well. In today's video, we are continuing the series of Service Catalog. So let's go to the system and see what is Service Catalog. So this is self-service application. Here you see Service Catalog. Let me open it. Okay, so this is the interface of Service Catalog. So what you see here, it seems like a menu card, right? You see the services, you see the hardware, software, all kind of things which an employee need so that the user or the employee can order it and get facilitated as soon as possible. You see the shopping cart here as well. Right now it is empty because we have not added anything. So along with the services you have here, can we help you category as well, where you can report issues and submit the request. Okay, so let me open this. So here you see all kind of things which are needed, like password reset, incident creation. If you have any performance issue and outage, everything you can mention here and get it resolved as soon as possible. So from this interface we can see that these all things are categorized properly, right? So we have categorized the services accordingly, okay, and placed same related categories in a single category. There are few technical terms which you need to know, okay, so let me show you right away. So the very first one is execution plan. You can say this is a kind of workflow or this is a kind of steps of execution. Then we have execution plan task. Okay, so in the execution plan, at every point you have something where a fulfillment group is doing something, right? They are doing it manually or they are doing it on your behalf. So that particular point is known as execution plan task, because actually the things are happening there. Then we have the fulfillment group. So it is the name of the group which is providing the services at every level of the execution plan. As simple as that. Then we have tickets. So this is a way to manage the work more efficiently, more clearly. Okay, so these are the few technical things which you must know before starting the service catalog. So let's go back. So now let me drill down into it. Okay, let's click on software category. So right now we are under the software category of service catalog, and this software category is having certain items. So in technical terms in ServiceNow, these items are known as catalog items. Okay, you can add a number of items to a category, and you can add a second category under one category, that is a parent-child relationship can also be maintained in service catalog. So now let me open this access one. It means I am opening the service catalog here. And here you see a proper image of this item. You see certain information of the item, and this checkbox is nothing but a variable, and it is used to obtain some information from the users. Okay, so in order to obtain information from the users, you can have n number of variables. Like we have fields in the form, you can have variables of different types in the catalog item. So as soon as you are done with it, you have the option of quantity here. You can select the quantity and then you can order it or add to the cart if you want to do multiple shopping. So now let me order it. So as soon as you order it, you see the request has been submitted and you see the request number and the corresponding stage of that item where it is right now. Okay, so you see various stages are available here. So let me open this. This is the request, this is the requested for, that is it is requested by me, so that's why my name is available here. And then you have this requested item. This RITM is known as requested item, and this RITM is corresponding to the service which you want. Okay, so generally we have a single request and then number of requested item according to the services you want, and then each requested item has its own workflow, because you know for acquiring a service you have certain level of execution plans or workflows which it will carry, which it will perform. Okay, so now let me open this. You see the stage here, you see the state here. Okay, and here you can see the workflow as well. So this is how the workflow looks like. It is right now at the catalog task because it is green. These ones are finished already. Okay, here you see the catalog task where it is pending. Okay, so in this way, first of all we have request and then a number of requested item and then corresponding to the workflow, corresponding to the execution plan of that service, we have catalog task available for each item. So now let me close this task. Okay, as soon as we close this task, you see the workflow will go to the next task. And if we reload this, you see one task is complete. Okay, the second task is now available, and the task is assigned to the group field services. This is nothing but the fulfillment group which we already discussed. So after each and every task is complete, it will go further and finally it will complete. Okay, so let me complete it as soon as possible. So you see finally the workflow is complete. You see the state of the workflow is finished. And let me check the requested item here. This is the requested item, right? Let me reload it. You see it is completed, it is closed complete. So here you have a number of states, right? Based on what is actually happening, you can set the state according to you. So it means the order is delivered, that is the request is fulfilled now. Okay, that's why all the task is completed. So this is the introduction of service catalog in front of you. Ladies and gentlemen, if you have any question, let us know in the comment section. We will come up with more in service catalog. Stay tuned, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.